Hey guys, thanks for coming to Deep South EDC, your channel for everyday carry and city preparedness. Today I wanted to do a video featuring this thing. Now what this is, it's a can opener, but the cool thing about this one is it's got this little spoon here on it. Now I have one that I carry around on my work keys because I work in a dog kennel, so I open up a lot of dog food, a lot of canned food, so I keep one of those on me. But I found a 2-pack of these at the store, so I wanted to try it out. So, uh, to try this out, we're going to do something we're calling a budget lunch break. So, today on budget lunch break, we are going to be eating some chili dogs. So, we got some Wolf brand chili, no beans, got some $2 buns, got some horseradish mustard, and for the hot dogs, we got these Bar S brand hot dogs. Now, that's what I used to eat when I was a kid growing up poor. So let's see if those Bar S brands still hold up. All right, now we're gonna check this thing out, and we're gonna open up the can. So let's do it. So already, the way that this spoon is like beveled out here. I'm already like getting problems like catching on the can. Like with this one here, you can just put this on and you just start working around. But on this one, because of the way that spoon edge is here, I'm already having trouble just locking on. There we go. All right. I think it works pretty good so far. We got through that first little kink. I think you just got to hold it off to the side and you're good to go. So it has this bottle opener here. That's pretty sharp on my fingers and pretty uncomfortable trying to turn it. All right. For some of that delicious budget lunch. All right. You got to use the little spoon thing, right? I'm just going to take some of this out to heat it up with. Looks good. Mm-mm-mm. Get one more. All right. So there that is. I think it worked well. Yeah. No complaints from me. Well, couple complaints. This thing here, the bottle opener, I don't know why they gotta put fucking bottle openers on every single EDC item. Like, for real, it doesn't have to be on everything. Anyway, and then this little part where the spoon bevels out, you gotta get used to hooking that. But anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna warm this up. I don't know, about a minute. Well, that's warming up. We'll get our hot dogs ready. All right. Today's hot dog opening device is the SOG Flash 2 assisted opening. All right. All right, let's see if these Bar S franks hold up to my memories. All right, I'm just going to have one. Get our bun ready. I don't know. We'll see. Whoops. Alright, our chili's nice and hot. Let's warm this baby up. Almost lost it. Do a minute on that. Alright, now for the hot dogs, I like to put my condiments on first on the bottom. Now the reasoning I have for that is because I got this beard that I'm trying to grow out here. And when I put all the liquid stuff on top, it just gets all over. I am eating a chili dog, so none of that fucking matters. Alright, a little bit of horseradish mustard, because I like the spice. Alright, that hot dog is whistling. Not sure if you heard it or not. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright, budget lunch. Put our chili on here. Should have grabbed some cheese too, but didn't have cheese that fit the budget. Alright. Here we go. Let's see if the old bar rest still holds up. Okay. Pretty hot. All right, here we go. Let me try just a piece of this hot dog. Now, the hot dog itself, the flavor is fine. It's got a nice hot doggy flavor, but the texture is like real spongy, kind of like if you put bologna into a hot dog form. Tastes good. I think the horseradish mustard overpowered everything. I just like horseradish mustard. I should have gone with just classic yellow. I mean, I'm eating it all, so it's not bad. Bringing back childhood memories? Not really. Maybe a realization that growing up I was a lot poorer than I thought I was. But, I mean, they don't taste bad. It was like $2 for the pack. And I got lunch for a week. So, there you go. Today on Budget Lunch Break, we're featuring this weird fancy, P98 or whatever can opener thing I found with a little spoon. Eating some chili dogs. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more Budget Lunch Break, leave a comment down below. Give me some ideas. Yeah, hit that thumbs up button. If you all watched on Rumble, hopefully you guys hit that Rumble button. Hopefully you guys watch on Rumble. I think I got like 2 viewers there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.